everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to delete a record using SQL statement in MySQL Database. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my new video in my channel, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. We are here in our PHP admin, and then in this tutorial we will have a sample database named demo, and then we have here a table. In the table it is named user, and then I have a series of records. Let's say for example we want to delete the record of Anatan, which has the ID of 4. So we can do that in SQL using SQL statement. So first we go to SQL, and then here we can declare an SQL statement. To delete a record, we simply issue delete from means which table that we will delete the record. Delete from user where ID equals 4. Now take note, okay, I will open a new tab so that we can visualize what we are doing right now here. Take note that the 4 here refers to the ID of Anatan in our table user. So here in our demo, so here the ID of Anatan is 4. The age of Anatan is 35. So here, by issuing this command delete from user where ID equals 4, we are referring to the record of Anatan. The ID represent the ID of the person Anatan. It is also the primary key. So to delete, after we issue this SQL statement, delete from, meaning we want to delete from what table? User, not users, where ID equals 4, and then click the go button to execute the query. Now here, be cautious and careful in deleting a record, because once it is deleted, there's no way that we can able to recall or retrieve the record. So it will ask you, do you really want to execute the delete from user where ID equals 4? You may cancel if you don't want to delete, but in our case we will delete. Click OK. So delete from user where ID equals 4. So one row affected, meaning we successfully executed the query. So here Anatan still here in this table. After we delete, let us refresh our PHP admin. So as you can see, there's no record of Anatan already. It is already removed from our table user. This is the end of our short tutorial on how to delete a particular record in a table using SQL statement in MySQL Database. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much to all our subscribers and to our new viewers of my channel. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.